What's up, everybody? It's the Blind Bearded Chef. Zeke, that's me. That's me. Look, I'm about to make some pecan. You can call it praline or you can call it praline. Whichever way you want to call it, it's not wrong. So, a lot of people talk about that when certain places they live at, that it's hard for their candy to set up. Well, I don't know about that. We make them here in Louisiana all the time, man. I was always set up. I don't know, baby. Maybe they haven't cooked it long enough. I don't know. But I'm about to do some simple pecan praline, whichever one you want to call it. And I'm going to do it in my cast iron skillet. So, for the show, y'all, it's not hard, y'all. If a blind man can do it, you can do it too. All right, let's go to the stove right quick.
All right, let's get this pecan praline. I got my cast iron skillet on the fire, y'all. I'm about to put it on. I'm going to put my stove on 5 or 6. So I'm going to start on a medium. I'm going to let my skillet get just a little heated. Then I'm going to put a half a cup of sugar in there. All right. All right, I'm going to put a half a cup of sugar in my skillet, y'all. That's a half a cup of sugar. Now we're going to let this sugar right here get brown. Let me see what I'm talking about. Show y'all this process. We're going to let it get brown. Let it get brown. You don't want it to burn. So, let this sugar caramel so it get brown. All right, y'all. This took about 2 minutes right here on high heat. I told you. Now at this stage right here, add your other 2 cups of sugar, and add your 1 cup. You gotta be quick with this. Add your 1 cup of pet milk, evaporated milk. Stir it in. Stir it in. And we're gonna turn this down to medium. So I'm about to turn it down on 5. So I'm about to stir this in and get all of this. Stir this in. We're gonna cook this for about gonna cook this for about 3 minutes. Y'all, I'm stirring. I can feel the consistency when it's ready. So right now I've been stirring for about 3 minutes on medium heat. So just stir your candy. So we stirring, baby. We stirring. Like I say, I just can feel and know when it's time for me to kill this fire. And Lord, don't let this shit flash on you, because if it's so, have mercy, Jesus. All right, y'all. Right now, I'm finna go in and add me a teaspoon of salt and a teaspoon of nutmeg. I like salt and nutmeg in mine. So stir that salt and nutmeg in there. I've been stirring for about 5 minutes now. I'm gonna reckon 5 minutes. Just look at the color and look at the consistency. It's hard to teach somebody how to do this, especially me being blind. I'm going by feel. I'm going by smell. After a while, I'm gonna know the consistency. I'm smelling it, and I'm gonna know when to drop my pecans and my butter and my extract next. All right, y'all. When you get to this state right here, I've been stirring about 8 minutes. I'm about to kill the fire. So I'm about to cut it off, and I'm about to take it off. Since I'm working with electric, I gotta take it and gotta move it over here. So I gotta move it over right here. Keep stirring, and I'm about to add my pecans and butter. All right, I'm about to add. Keep stirring. About to add 2 tablespoons of butter. Stir that in. All right, let's add my 2 cups of pecans. Stir that in. All right, and I just added I add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now I'm gonna stir this for about 5 minutes, y'all. Let's keep on this stir. And see what happened is, your cast iron skillet is still conducting heat. It's still cooking. Now, if I was using gas, If I was using a gas stove, I wouldn't have to move it off the fire. But because I'm using electric, and the electric aisle still be burning. So stir this for about 5 minutes. And I'm gonna show y'all when it's time to drop. That's why I don't make candy for people that was this is a job. I make it if you want to buy it. Just keep stirring this for about 5 minutes. I'm gonna show y'all when it's time to drop. I got me I have 2 cookie sheets already lined up with parchment paper. So stir this for about 5 minutes. All right, y'all. Look, when you get like this, y'all see that? Look how stiff that's getting. It's time to drop. So I'm about to put it over. I'm about to bring it over here. I'm about to bring it over here and put it on my cooling rack. Cooling rack right here. All right. Let me drop it right quick, y'all.
All right, y'all see me make them, y'all. They are done. About to eat a piece for y'all. Look at that. Good, creamy and soft. Buttery. Put your hint of nutmeg in it. I'm telling you, it won't go wrong. I got them a little lumpy because all the pecans I put 2 cups of pecans. No. That's so delicious. Oh, I can eat them all up. Put just some pecans in your pecan praline. That's why they call pecan praline. You put some pecans in it. All right. Now see me make them. Go make you some. Well, you know what? I think I want some walnut ones too. So you know what? I'm gonna go back to the stove and make some with some walnuts. I might use a different recipe this time. I might put brown sugar and use heavy whipping cream. What y'all think? Oh well. See y'all in a little while. Bye.